Pattaya police station. Already beach road. Yes.
The beach road.
Yes. Yes. Another side?
I don't know.
Okay.
Oh, Russian language.
The other side.
Beach road?
Yes.
But our hotel this side.
Yes.
Yes.
Right.
Burger King, right?
I love
Because it's Burger King. It's not McDonald's. How much rice?
99.
99 peso.
So you can
Oh,
buy
99 baht. 99 baht.
But you can eat here for 99 baht.
Okay, next time.
So next time we eat here.
Камикадзе. She won't go to the beach. Okay, let's go. Okay, we'll take picture same like this. Shaira, same, I will take picture you.
Sige, sige, okay.
I don't know what.
Pattaya Music Festival.
Pattaya Music Festival. Ah, before I been in same festival
But when?
1 year ago.
But where?
I think this weekend start music festival. I think this weekend.
Maybe, I don't know. We can ask people who...
Sumani CCTV.
Because if you unrespectful,
Take a look, Shaira. Sumani CCTV. If you, Georgi said, if you unrespectful to the king, or what is, who is? Buddha. I don't know. Buddha? The whole Thai language we not know. Okay, let's go to another side. What his name is? Soy 6?
We last night here.
Maybe we walk, Georgi, and go into hotel this side. Yes. Hold me, Shaira. Now the entrance to Soy 6. Daytime. Daytime. Shaira been already nighttime. Evening. Or 2 a.m. you been yesterday, and now daytime. So many girls here. Street foods also, barber shop, salon. Yeah, so many girls. Shaira, so many girls here. Afraid? Really, so many, yes? So many.
So many girls.
So many girls? More than in the Philippines, in Walking Street, yes?
Girls here beautiful. Big boss.
That's so many, so many.
It's only one place only.
Only one small street.
But we not been in Pattaya. What is this called?
Pattaya Walking Street, also so many.
I don't want to see girls because they are so many. If I remove my home to you, maybe girls will gonna.
Let her talk, let her not understand. Security guard also here. It's like same like tourist police. Shaira. You cannot hold. You cannot good hold. I don't understand. What? Hold. So noisy here. Music everywhere. Many people take picture. No problem, allowed also. Huh? They pray maybe, I don't know. Вот, кафе. What is this, Georgi? You won't go inside? What? Ah, this is hotel. Hotel. Hotel and so many girls there. Georgi already go to the bar. Police also here. Safety here. Safety.
But for Georgi, it's not safe here.
Georgi? Why you don't want to go to the bar, Georgi? Don't like?
No, I'm full.
Ah, you're full. That's why you don't want to go to the bar. He said full.
So if you're hungry, you want girl.
I don't know. Ask him. I don't know.
Because I don't know what's the reason.
My friend, your bar. also.
I don't understand why you said that.
Nighttime this bar is closed. You remember yesterday, last night, but now open. Really, so many girls, so many. Yeah. Yes. Oh, so many, yes, Shaira. It's only one street. Only one, it's not walking street, it's only one. Soy 6. Soy 6 Pattaya, yes. This one. What do you think, Shaira, about this street?
So many girls.
So many.
So many girls and maybe girl will get.
No girl is allowed filming. Girl not say stop. They how to say? They not stop us to the filming. All smile.
Yes.
Yes. All not problem.
Little bit hot.
Hot? Okay. No, thank you. It's taxi. Moto taxi, Shaira. This is moto taxi. It's
Like
cheap.
Grab.
Same like Grab, yes. Grab also have in Thailand. Chicken. We can check how much chicken. In the Philippines, chicken is about 250, no maximum 250 in Mabalacat. How much?
200.
Here one chicken is 200 baht. It's about 320 peso. 320 peso. So almost the same.
Oh, they have crocodile.
Where? Crocodile.
Here.
Crocodile, okay.
Crocodile.
Crocodile grill. Hey, Shaira. Real crocodile.
Real crocodile.
Yes. How much? Size small, 200, 300, 400. Did you try it before?
Yes.
You tried? I also tried in China only.
But I remember when it was hard. More
Oh,
hard.
snake also. Take photo with all.
Sorry.
uh-huh. Pad Thai 50 baht.
Rice. And you can put it food.
Tilapia. With rice?
Not spicy, yeah.
Yeah.
Spicy.
It's good.
So we can try later. Not now. Tilapia, big tilapia. How much tilapia? I don't know. Salt. Shaira is different cook. It's a cook with salt.
They put in the grill with salt.
With salt. In the
Yes.
Philippines, why not put salt? I know.
And also some grass inside because
Grass inside, yeah?
yes,
Uh-huh.
because they need to disinfect it.
Barbecue. $50.
This is for
Uh-huh. $80. 80 baht. One bottle, yes? Okay. Shaira, take a look, so big mango. It's plastic. Georgi, Georgi, did you try it big mango? More big. Yeah.
Oh, mango sticky.
Here 1 kilo is 80. 80.
But it's good. Sticky rice, it's good.
Yeah, yes, good.
I love it.
But it's plastic, I think.
No.
Not original? It's not plastic? Ah, you cook from this one, yes. Sale only bottle. 80 baht. Okay, thank you. No, 80 baht, 80 baht bottle. One kilo 80 baht. Already
How
here.
much?
1 kilo, 150.
1 kilo 150?
50 peso. I have different, have red, have white.
How much?
You can buy already red and white
Okay.
if you want.
Expensive.
Expensive?
Maybe not today.
Expensive, I seen before. It's 150 baht.
How much is
150 baht.
150?
only.
Already clean, no?
Small only. Inside small. Like one slice only. But in Philippines, I know durian also expensive.
Yellow, okay.
It's best exchange. Today 35.50 dollar. Durian cafe.
Maybe they have durian pizza.
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 Wow.
Chinese language. Yes, have durian pizza.
They have coffee also. How much here?
112 about, oh 20, about 120.
Have durian.
No, next one, this one. Toast, even toast, durian toast have.
Oh.
Durian cake. Looks good with pizza.
Pizza, but it's pizza. How much this one?
Don't know.
Pizza.
This pizza.
200 baht.
250 baht, 250 baht pizza. One slice or all? I don't.
All, it's all one
It's all?
pizza. What do you think?
I don't know. I don't know because it's Thailand.
I don't know, one slice or...
Slice of pizza, all.
Maybe it's 249 baht.
We don't know. Maybe it's slice only.
No, it's small only.
Small?
Oh,
Okay. This cafe. Ah, another menu. Cafe location. Nea Dental Center. It's very close from the Soi 6. This already, if go straight, is Soi 6. All motor for rent here.
But you need helmet.
I need also driver license, Thai driver license, not only helmet. Георгий интересен марихуана шоп. I know so many here.
In Amsterdam, but not like.
But you try
He tried only in Amsterdam. But he don't like.
I don't understand.
They used to bake here.
Wait, maybe not allowed. I don't know. You can ask.
This one is 180. If it's allowed or not. If allowed or not. Allowed,
Maybe allowed for sale, but not allowed to use.
not use.
Shaira, better not. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Also have another. Cannabis, marijuana.
Marijuana.
What is this?
Really?
It's
100,
Viagra.
200?
How much?
500, but
500? Yeah, 500.
I don't understand. 20 milligrams one tablet, it's too much.
How many tablets inside?
10.
10 tablet?
Yeah.
100 grams each.
Huh? 100?
100 milligram. 100 milligram.
Wait.
100 milligram.
No, 200. This is 200.
100.
Different.
ตัวนี้เหรอ
มันจะมีไม่อันนี้แตงโมมันจะมีชมพู
ตัวนี้เหรอ
ไม่ใช่
It's different.
different.
Different, but same price, 500 baht.
For what?
Huh?
For what?
For go to walking street. Understand? For what?
I know already.
You know? Okay. Georgi, for what you need? For what?
For what?
For what? For what, Shaira?
Again.
Again? Georgi, for what? If you not go to... Okay.
You want massage?
No. I want massage in hotel room, okay? Not here. I not comfortable massage here.
If you want massage, I will massage you right now.
Where massage?
My hands will gonna massage you.
Body massage here.
But
What?
I said if have emergency, why they cannot faster drive?
Don't know.
the beginning pasta.
Inside Big C.
All food we get, it don't have already.
Have.
But what we eat right now?
You don't remember what we eat right now? You not remember what you eat today?
McDonald's. Who is
McDonald's you eat already.
But we need to buy some fruits.
Ice cream, 23 baht. 33 big, 23 small.
But this one it can.
It's big. It's in hotel, inside hotel. In hotel have also swimming pool. Restaurant. 250 baht restaurant. Breakfast. Shaira, do you want swim? You want swim now? Do you want? You can go to room and swim now. Don't have people, you can swim. You want?
Maybe later.
Okay, let's go. Or daytime.
Later.
Okay, no problem.